Hello and welcome to another Sophia Polk Realty luxury listing. I am so excited to introduce you to 2705 Redding Drive here in Plano, Texas, 75093. This gorgeous custom property is the perfect floor plan. There are 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths and a half bath downstairs, 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths and a game room upstairs. So each bedroom is an ensuite. There are also both formal living and formal dining room downstairs with a gorgeous and open family room. This gorgeous Robert Bachman built custom home sits in the heart of Willow on a quiet cul-de-sac street. The homeowners have done so many amazing updates in this home. There is a new premium steel-coated roof installed in 2016 valued at $75,000. You actually can get a discount on your homeowner's insurance because of the type of roof this is. Upon entry, we are greeted by gorgeous double doors and soaring ceilings. There are windows that overlook the front and the back of the home, also with a gorgeous fireplace in the middle. One thing that's really unique about this home is the amount of wood trim. All of the rooms have crown molding and almost every window has been trimmed out. Here in the formal dining space, it's large and expansive and has so much sunlight coming through here. The homeowners have added wood floors in the formal living and the formal dining room, as well as plantation shutters. I love how versatile this floor plan is. This room could be a bedroom or a study. There's plantation shutters, a large walk-in closet, and an attached full bath with marble floors and granite countertops. The flow of this floor plan is well thought out. This master suite faces the swimming pool and also has an abundance of windows allowing a lot of indirect natural light to come through. This space is large and expansive and fits perfectly with the floor plan. There are also tray ceilings, crown moldings, and large baseboards. I can't wait to show you the master bath because it is absolutely awesome. This is absolutely my favorite room in this home. The homeowners have spent $40,000 updating this master bath. The entire shower surround has been replaced with marble and decorative tile, new fixtures, and seamless glass. The master bathtub has been replaced with a garden tub and marble surround. There's new cabinet hardware, new faucets, new sink, and new lighting. There are vaulted ceilings in this area and also an extra space that could be a workout room or a sitting area. There's plantation shutters and a door to go outside of the pool. The built-ins are amazing and the master closet is huge. In addition to the large master closet, there's also a walk-in cedar closet. You must see this space. The homeowners have continued to update this gorgeous home. They've added exotic granite countertops, stainless steel double ovens, dishwasher, and cooktop. There are also 2 sinks, a wine refrigerator, a desk area, and a huge walk-in pantry. I love how this area is open to the family room and eating space. There is so much square footage in this living space. The family room is open to the kitchen, the breakfast area, and the walk-in wet bar. There are built-ins, a gorgeous brick fireplace, and amazing views to the outdoor pool and spa. The walk-in wet bar is perfect for entertaining, with wood cabinets, glass shelving, and storage for wine. At the top of the stairs, we are greeted by a large game room. The game room has a large wet bar and sink and is awesome for entertaining. There's a coffered ceiling with wood trim and so many windows. Items like this were really expensive to add when this home was built. There are also 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms in the second story of this home. There are so many extras that were added during construction when this property was built. These rooms are large and expansive, but also have tray ceilings, wood trim around the windows, baseboards, and moldings. All of the doors are solid core, and also each bedroom has its own bathroom and walkout closet. There is definitely a lot of storage in this house. This property is situated perfectly within the Golden Corridor of West Plano. Glen Eagles Country Club is just a short walk away. This home feeds to highly sought-after Centennial Elementary, Renner Middle School, Shepton High, and Plano West Senior High. Boutique shopping and major freeways are literally minutes away. This location is second to none. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you would like additional information on this property or to view the 3D floor plan, please visit sophiapolk.com. If you would like to view a Sophia Polk Realty listing, click here. If you would like to view a neighborhood we specialize in, click here. And to subscribe and stay updated, click on the circle below. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.